All right, we're back. We're gonna do an unboxing today. Got my fiance with me. Got my buddy Eli with Wisconsin Boys behind the camera. He's staying with me right now. He's got a job near me, so instead of him driving an hour and a half every day, we'll just stay with me. So
Oh, yeah.
I got a package of musky baits. Gonna open them up. This should be a bunch of rubbers and one or two hard baits, maybe. Not quite for sure. So let's open them up and see. I hope I open this. Or I hope I'm opening this the right way. And holy insulation.
That's a lot.
All right, set that there.
They just took that out of their house and put it in the box, man.
Very possible. I got another piece of cardboard.
Hey, that'll be good to hold up your boots.
Alrighty. So, we're going to start off with, these are all going to be musky baits. So, kind of go by what I know about the baits. I think I paid, we'll say, I think it was about 200 bucks is what we paid for this. This one right here, we have a mini Medusa. Very, very sharp hooks. Brand new. No teeth marks. This is, I think, been thrown a couple times. But not too bad. It's actually in very good shape. So, we will definitely be throwing this a lot this coming season. It is currently January 20th, I think. January 20th. I just got off work. She just got off work.
How cold is it?
We don't talk,
Yeah.
With wind chill, I think it's -20.
About
Tomorrow's
so.
supposed to be -40.
You still have my phone?
I do. Let's get a quick temperature check, guys. All right, it is -12 right now.
There we go.
This is just tomorrow is supposed to be -19.
What does it feel?
Right now it feels like -19. It's supposed to be sunny tomorrow though. At 8 a.m. it's supposed to be -18, but at noon at 1 o'clock it's supposed to jump down to -3. So it's supposed to get warmer tomorrow, and then it's supposed to be 20s and 30s again. Welcome to Wisconsin, the state that doesn't know how to make up its mind. All right, now comes the fun stuff. This one right here is missing a hook. I will have to add a hook to it. I've got plenty of those though. This one is a glide bait. I think I paid 10 bucks for this one. Not too bad. It's in fairly good shape. I have to clean it up a little bit. Throw it under some water, it'll be just fine. But yeah, this one's gonna be very nice to throw. Yeah, it's an older bait. And then we've got another really fantastic bait. These are all just fairly dirty. No big deal though. But this one's got a few teeth marks, nothing too crazy. Give that one an overview. Be careful, hooks are very sharp. I've got one really cool bait in here that I'm actually super excited to show you guys. I don't even think she has seen this bait that I got. Oh, that's why. Hook to the bag.
The innovation.
This is another.
Oh, it's the bulldog.
Yep, this is the bulldog. This one's fairly large. This one's very beat up. Tail is pretty chipped. I shouldn't say chipped. Yeah. This is it compared to like
Wait, hold
my
on.
arm.
Hold on.
It's. I think with the I think with this with the tail, the bait's about 12-13 inches. But you're gonna catch a monster musky on this hopefully this year. Oh, that was all for that bag. All right. And how we come into, we'll save that bag for last. How many bags are in here? All right. Oh, well, oh, this is the bait that I don't think she even seen. I have never seen a bait like this. So it was another $10 bait. So I really couldn't say no. It's a catfish. It has the whiskers and everything. This is actually a very cool bait. Yeah, I'm obsessed with this one. I saw it and I'm like, I have to get it. It's a little channel catfish. Nothing cool, really. I shouldn't say nothing cool. It's very cool, but never seen one, so had to buy it. Couldn't say no. And then we've got. Yeah, I'm just ripping this entire bag.
You might as well. They're gonna go back in it anyway.
Yeah, these are gonna go in a box.
Don't you have one kind of like?
Not this one. So this one is supposed to be white, purple, and blue, which it's kind of like a grayish color now because it's older.
Tail kind of looks
But
yellow.
this one is another musky innovation. I think all these are musky innovation except that mini Medusa. That one's a chaos tackle, and I don't know who makes this. Like I said, I've never seen one of these before, so I had to give it a shot and buy it. This one? Yeah, this one is. This one. These are all bulldogs. Super stoked to throw these. Leave that big for last.
Oh, that was that kind of golden.
Yep.
I was kind of
That's that
excited
red one you
about that
wanted.
one. Huh?
This one's super cool too. This is gold and like brown-ish color.
Kinda like a
It looks like
coffee color.
I think this one's the motor oil color, if I remember correctly. It's got gold flake. Looks like what?
Kind of looks like a darker tint of caramel almost.
But yeah, this is another very nice bait. Another bait I'm so excited to throw. Actually, we'll go to this one next.
The one you said you
Vintage
said for
Creek Chub. Oh, $20. I don't know. But like I said, roughly about 200 is what I paid for these. This is another chaos tackle. This tail is on its last leg.
Yeah,
It's
pretty beat up.
about to fall off. But it's got this one's got one eye on it. This one is fairly beat up, but not too bad. Once again, they'll still catch fish like no other.
Other than that tail though.
Oh well, the tail will be fine.
hanging there.
So this one, I don't know the color of this one. It never really told me to the bottom. And then, ow, hooked myself. It's not gonna say on there.
I'm not.
Oh.
I'm just trying to separate them so they're not like all sitting up. Hold on, Brutus.
This one's another sucker color. This tail is also fairly beat up, so it's got a good slice in it. But once again, I'm sure we'll catch some more fish on it. I wouldn't worry about that right now. If you like any of these baits, pick them up and show the camera. This one I actually got for her because I know she'll throw this one. It's a little bit smaller, and
I perked up that one.
yeah, she's still kind of nervous to throw bigger baits.
That and this one. I'll get to it. It's at the end of the pile though. It's just smaller.
This one's absolutely beautiful. This one's orange, yellow. This one's got a good rip in the tail, but nothing too crazy. You know. But, so that's this one. We've got,
I'm excited about this one.
yeah. Said you were having me.
Oh, yeah, look at this compared to that.
There's definitely a difference. This one is also a very nice color. This one's also not in a horrible shape. Like I said, I wish I knew what colors these were, but I don't. Never asked. But yeah, this is another very beautiful one. Dog, you can come up here in about 4 minutes. So that's that. Got one more bait, and then
That one's pretty. I like that one.
this is the final bait in the box. This one's got a very cool pattern. I really wish I could describe how this one looks, but zoom in on that one. Perfect. It's absolutely beautiful. So, overview, am I excited with what I bought? Yes. Did I pay a lot? Yes. Did I pay more than I should have? Yes. Will I throw all of these? Yes. So, stay tuned. If you guys like these videos, throw them down below. I'll make more of them. I'm going to be buying more packages here throughout the winter, throughout the summer. So, yeah. Like I said, if you guys enjoy, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And comment some video ideas down below. It's currently winter. Hopefully we can do some ice fishing here soon. But let you guys know. Peace.